today we'll do a little update on the 79 Bronco. But first, we got a new set of wheels for the 84 Jimmy. A set of 20 by 10 XD wheels. I went with black with the machine face, just because I don't see a lot of chrome going to happen on this build. I'm trying to contain my chrome addiction on this one. I love new wheels. Yes, you guys are getting a voiceover right now because I'm out of town. Had to get Mr. White to film this for me. Pretty fancy, hey? I'm doing everything in my power to not polish that face. Alright, let's have a gander at the Bronco. Look at that. The whole thing is in primer. All one color. Took almost a gallon of primer. I paid $334 for a gallon of primer. That's just crazy. But it's looking good. We had to fill in all the holes in the tailgate from that old panel that was there from the newer Bronco. I have to find some new chrome trim to go around there on the taillights. Well, the body panels are lined, and now we get to spend a week of block sanding and a little more primering, and then some more block sanding, because this is going to be headed for the booth next weekend. Going metallic black and sunset deco package. Yeah, I love that part.